You'll need load carriers to use this accessory. Start by threading 2 rubber rings into the tensioner straps. Place the free end of each strap into the slot in the wheel holder to store it for installation. Next, insert the edge pins in the 3 tensioner arms. Attach the tensioner arms by threading the screws through the brackets. Refer to the owner's manual for threading instructions for your specific rail type. Tighten both tensioner arms a few turns, but not all the way. Now, align to fit your load carriers. Slide the rear mounting to adjust it to fit the space between the load carriers. Tighten the tensioner arms by screwing clockwise. Fold down the tensioner arms until they click. Tighten or slacken the arms if needed, and turn the key in the lock on the front tensioner arm. Fold up the frame holder, lift your bike onto the holder, and push down the frame holder as far as possible. Twist the torque knob at the front mounting to tense the frame holder around the frame. The button on the side of the knob releases the frame holder. Center your bike's wheel hubs and the wheel holders, and with the rubber strap over the wheel, tighten the wheels. Give your bike a firm tug to check that both the bicycle and holder are firmly secured.